as a narrator, you know a lot of places, you know their stories, you might fall in love while reading about them. But I want you to tell me top three places to visit in Vizag. Must. For somebody who doesn't know Vizag or is just a tourist over here or wants to know more, where can they start from?
Kulottunga Cholapatnam. Have you heard of it?
Honestly, what I know in Vizag is my college, my house, and the beach.
So Vizag was called Kulottunga Cholapatnam
Okay.
for 2+ years. Okay. And how do I know that? There is a complete big rock and it has got sculpted, epigraphed, which says from 1087, it has been named from today, it will be called Kulottunga Cholapatnam. So I would say Simachalam temple is something which everybody who comes to Vizag should visit it. Not just to fold hands and pray and to get a big car or get married, but to see the generational people who did not rule. This part of Vishakhapatnam was there under their rule, but they did not rule it like have a throne here or a palace here. But the only sign that we were part of their dynasty is the 3 gopurams on top of Simachalam. So you will see the Oriya, you will see the Chola and the Kalingas. The 3 gopurams are different, diametrically in shape and design, telling you there are 3 dynasties that ruled there. That's the beauty. We have 96 beautiful pillars. Not one pillar resembles the other pillar. And if you stand against the pillar and you're looking up, an entire story is carved in stone. Nobody tells you about that. The queens and princesses and princes have donated their jewelry to the gods over there. Where is it? Nobody knows. But on insistence, because of 2016 or something before that, we got the temple authorities at least take photos and put pictures so we know what this jewelry is. So we put it up. Like that, if you walk every step in Simachalam, 100, 1, 1, 2, 7 steps from the bottom till the top. It's not just architecture. It's not just faith. It's not the devotion. It is the economics. People practicing those livelihoods. It is the whole construction, the water bodies, the flowing streams, the flora, the fruit trees, and the language that you hear is so different. So from 1,000 years, these families have almost doing the same things. That's the place you should see.
That is place 1. Place 2?
Bojjanakonda. It's between us and Anakapalli. Now we've separated our districts. To me, all these are the same because that's how it was a couple of years back. Bojjanakonda is a Buddhist site, which is about, I would say, 1st century BC till 7th century CE. That means nearly 600 to 800 years, it was thriving. So Buddhist has 3 stages: Theravada, Mahayana and Vajrayana. Very clear. No site across our country will show you strong signs of these 3 landmarks which you see here. Buddhist carvings, Buddha carvings, Bodhisattva stories. You will see it all there. It is not even 45 kilometers from here. But there's no guide. There are 2 boards there, very good boards. Way to toilet, way to drinking water. It does not tell you timeline. It does not tell you anything. And there is no guide. So what do? Forget narration. So when I take people over there, they don't want to come away from there. It is one of the most beautiful, enriched site. And I speak from excavation notes of 1906, Alexander Rea, who was a British archaeologist, Survey of India.
Nice.
And the third one. And the third one would be 180 degrees and 8+ stories from Ross Hill. These are the 3 spaces, meaning sites. One thing one should do is walk along our coast with a marine biologist. I tell you, hundreds and hundreds of creatures who do not know what a human being is thriving in colonies over there. You look down, look at the colors, you look at the beauty of how they are. That's what people should know about.
Wow, I'm so mesmerized and awestruck by this amazing heritage that Vizag has. Really amazing. I think I have lot to explore. I think
There
I've
is,
explored
there is.
zero, nothing but Vishakhapatnam. Amazing. Thank you for listening to this episode of Abhilasha. If this touched you, inspired you, or made you think, please do us a small favor. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel Abhilasha Stories from Heart, Mind, and Voice.